If Hey Siri is not working on your iPhone or your iPhone just doesn't respond when you say Hey Siri, don't worry, this is usually a very easy fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Hey Siri on your iPhone and also how to fix it if it's not working. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing. Let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Welcome to another video. First, let's make sure Hey Siri is actually turned on. Pick up your iPhone and go to Settings, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Now look for this option, Listen for Hey Siri. Make sure this is turned on. If it is off, just tap the toggle to enable it. As soon as you turn it on, Hey Siri feature should start working. Your iPhone will ask you to set up Siri. Tap Continue. You'll be asked to repeat a few phrases like Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Just follow the setup on the screen. This helps your iPhone recognize your voice. Once done, tap Done. Now test it. Lock your iPhone and say Hey Siri. If everything is working, Siri should pop up instantly. But what if it's still not working? Let's fix that. First go back to Settings, Siri and search, turn off Listen for Hey Siri. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the feature. Now check your internet connection. Siri needs internet to work properly, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now check your microphone. If your microphone is blocked or dirty, Siri may not hear you. Make sure nothing is covering the mic, especially if you're using a case. And finally, try restarting your iPhone. Just power it off, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This fixes a lot of temporary glitches. Now try again, say Hey Siri and it should work perfectly. If this video helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.